Now, there's a lot of different ways to lock up a shed. This is a brand new 12 by 16 shed that I just got done building. And I looked at a lot of different options for latches and door locks and ways to fasten it and secure the shed. The one I liked the best was the shed locking bar, secure locking bar. You can buy these for around $100, but I had some extra steel laying around and I like to fabricate, so I decided to build my own. And I think it's the most secure way to secure your shed. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made it. Well, I've got this U-channel that I built. I didn't have one, so I just decided to take a piece of plate steel. This is 3/16 of an inch thick to build the channel that my shed door security bar will slide through. And it's definitely stout. And I've also got a piece of 3/16 with some lines drawn on it into 4 different sections. So this will make the channels that the security bar slides through. So I've got my shed locking bar brackets built that I fabricated out of 3/16 inch steel. And then I've got my, these are just carriage bolts. Two of them are long, they're about 5 inches long or so. And then two that are a little bit shorter, about 4 inches. And I just tack welded those in place before I painted it so that they're held in there, because I don't have a square drill bit in order to keep them from spinning as I tighten the nut on the back side. And then these are the backing plates, all freshly painted. So I'm going to get these installed in the shed. I've got all my holes pre-drilled. I just need to take those one by one and mount them in the back into the studs and stuff in the shed. And let's go ahead and we'll get that done. type of lock that I'm going to use is one of these trailer hitch receiver locks. This is a 5/8 inch shaft on it. Then it has a weatherproof cap, and then the end where you put the key in order to open up the lock. It just has a bunch of extra O-rings on it here to keep it from rattling when it's locking your trailer hitch receiver into your vehicle. And they actually kind of come in handy for this situation too. I drilled just one step bigger on the step bit of a hole than 5/8, so it's not too tight. And then the lock just connects to the bottom. And then you got the weatherproof cap. An additional feature that I built into this particular locking system is an additional hole on this door, on this bracket. So if I want to get into the shed, I just slide my locking bar back to that point, and it's just a place to hold the pin while I access the shed. That way it holds the bar in place, holds the lock in a secure spot so I don't lose it, and then when I'm ready to lock it back up, I just slide my bar back across, and then put my lock pin back in. And it's locked and secure. Here on the end of the bar, opposite the side of the lock, I welded a 3/8 inch piece of steel on the end of there so it won't slide through the bracket there.